A few videos ago, I said this, and I'm not kidding, we've had the 5th E46 M3 back out of this competition with us. I'm gonna find one, hopefully, you know, if one of you guys has one that's relatively stock or totally stock, or has a car that's around 400 horsepower at the crank, let me know, because I would love to put the V70R up against that car or those cars that you guys have. And last week, I was sent a video by my friends over at Albon Films that said this.
Last week, we introduced our latest project, a 1994 Toyota Supra. I'm not going to go big with huge turbo. I'm probably not going to go standalone. I'm not going to dump a ton of money into building power in this thing. What's a build without a little bit of a test or perhaps a little bit of a challenge? So I couldn't help but notice. My buddies over at Shifting Lanes, perhaps you've heard of their YouTube channel, the link's going to be in the description, but they're building this Volvo. Now, they do a lot of Volvos, and look, I love me a Volvo. You know, me and Zane got that 240. Ooh, love that car. Complete piece of garbage, but I love that car. They're calling it the M3 killing Volvo V70R. And like, for what it's worth, I haven't seen it kill any M3s. How about instead of an M3, you kind of like, I don't know, challenge something legitimate, like an actual sports car? Supra versus V70R. You're all saying you're gonna make 400 at the crank, roughly. This thing will probably make roughly 400 at the crank. We'll see. Yeah, wherever you want, let's throw down. When your car's done, this car's done, let's do it. Straight, head to head, street, strip, track. I mean, dyno, I don't know. You tell me, I guess we can figure that out. But like, let's do it. Let's go head to head. Look, once this beast is ready to go, it's gonna need to eat. You know what I'm saying? And look, that Volvo of yours looking real tasty right now. Just saying. So if you guys are up for the challenge, look, hit me up and we're gonna go.
I accept. V70R versus Supra. Let's go. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Gregson and welcome to Shifting Lanes. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps us out. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. You know this car. This is my daily driver, Volvo XC90. The car is amazing, and I will give you an update on this in the next coming videos. It'll be my first reliability test. I've been driving this. It's about 2,000 miles now I've put on it, and you will be able to see exactly how it's been faring since ownership. But I'm here today to talk to you about the challenge that our friends at Albon Films actually issued us, because if you didn't know, they bought a 1994 twin-turbo Toyota Supra for only $10,000, which I believe is the cheapest in the country, and that might be the cheapest in the world, honestly, because you can't find twin-turbo Supras for that cheap anymore. Now, the car is pretty much a heap at this point. It doesn't run well, it has a ton of rust on it, it's just not in really good shape, and if you don't know, you should check out their video. I'll link it in the card above me, because it really is worth checking out. It's gonna be a cool build, but the thing is, they're going for about 400 crank horsepower, which is exactly what I'm going for with my Volvo V70R build. Now, the Volvo V70R is still up in Connecticut with Ben over at Rolling Motors. We have been posting a ton of updates on our Instagram account. If you don't follow us on Instagram, it's at Shifting Lanes, and you should definitely go follow us there. We've been posting up a ton of pictures, like updates to basically the build. We have a CNC ported head, it's fully refinished. We put in the Snob FMIC kit. We fixed the all-wheel drive system. We fixed the exhaust hang. I'll explain that when we go pick up the car. We've shimmed the block, newer, bigger injectors. This is going to be an absolute monster, and the last thing to do is dyno tune it, which they should be doing in the next few days, and then I'm gonna go pick it up, and I'm really excited too. But Albon challenged us because I said at the beginning of this video, a couple of videos ago, that we needed a new car because our 5th BMW M3 basically completely dissed us and just didn't want to do anything with the challenge, you know, and it was becoming increasingly frustrating. But Albon rose to the challenge. They saw the video and they responded. So Guff, it is on. You're going down. It is going to be a V70R versus twin turbo Supra 400 crank horsepower battle. Now, if you watched Guff's video, and you should, they're not going for this huge build. Obviously, we all know Supras, we're all enthusiasts. They can be tuned to crazy amounts of horsepower, 1,000, 1,500 horsepower, 1,000 on stock internals, which is just nuts. 2JZ GTE 8 twin turbo engine is a legend. We all know that those things are crazy over-engineered, crazy overbuilt, but that's not what Guff is going for. He had a red Supra, and that actually was built to, I think, between 700 and 800 horsepower, so he's been there, done that. What he's doing with this one is trying to keep it modest, maybe restore the car a little bit, and, you know, try to turn a nice profit, because, you know, Supra prices are getting completely ridiculous. One sold on Bring a Trailer, I think, for $179,000. How is a Supra $179,000? That is nuts to me. Anyway, we are going to battle. We're going to do a 0 to 60 run. We're going to do some dyno pulls. We're going to do a quarter mile. We're going to do pretty much everything that we would have done with the M3, except we're going to do it with the Supra. So I think it's going to be a really interesting battle, especially since the Supra is around 3,500 pounds in rear wheel drive, and the V70R is between 3,700 and 3,800 pounds in all-wheel drive. So it should be a fairly interesting battle on paper. So that is what's new with the V70R. Hopefully you will get a V70R build video next week. Ben has been taking a ton of time lapse of the actual build itself, so you won't just get a talking video. I know that I talk a lot in these videos, but look, we're a build / vlogging channel, so if you don't like that, deal with it, or just go somewhere else. You will get a ton of time lapse for the build of the car, and we're actually doing a time lapse of the all-wheel drive fix, so you'll get 2 videos out of that, which is really, really good, and I think will be very helpful for the community. So a really quick update on this car. It is totally filthy, so please forgive me for that, but it's New Jersey, of course, and we have our first ding. Not good. That definitely didn't come with the car. There are a couple of nicks and scratches around the car. I'll show you one right here that actually did come with the car and really didn't bother me that much, because you can see this white line here. Basically, that came with the car. There's a couple other, you know, things here and there, but you know, the ding on the other side bothers me. But it's New Jersey, and most motorists don't really care about their cars or other people's cars, which kind of sucks. But you know, that's what happens. At any rate, the car has been great. I really love this thing. I've been a huge fan of driving this around. It's the best daily I've ever had. It's so quiet. It's so comfortable. The sound system is amazing. Ride is fantastic, but I can't wait to start modding this thing to when I wrap it and we do the new wheels, and I think we're going to lower it. So it's going to be really, really good. Stay tuned for that. Hopefully in the coming weeks we need some budget for that, and after the V70R build I'm going to need something else to modify. So stay tuned for some more XC90 videos. 2 more announcements. Again, we are going to the IPD garage sale. Hanson will be there. He will be representing Shifting Lanes on the West Coast. That is May 18th, I believe. And I will be representing Shifting Lanes at Carlisle, or Carlisle, PA. And if you haven't signed up for Carlisle, please go do so and sign up under Volvos at Carlisle. Check out the Volvos at Carlisle Facebook page. Just search that in Facebook and you will be able to find exactly what you need. There's a donation on PayPal. It's just 25 bucks on top of what Carlisle asks for you to get in, and that's it. That's all you got to pay, and you're good for the weekend with food and cool prizes. And we're going to be giving away stuff there too. If you go to the Volvos at Carlisle tent on Saturday, we're going to be giving away some cool stuff. I have a hoodie, a Shifting Lanes hoodie to give away, a couple of Volvo keychains, a sticker pack, and some cool surprises for you. So if you're going to be at Carlisle, please come up, please say hello, go to the Volvos at Carlisle tent, and you know, go in for the raffles, you know, buy a couple tickets and put them in, and you could win some really cool stuff. And if you're gonna be at the IPD garage sale, please come up to Hanson, please say hello. We wanna meet you guys. This is not just a channel where we just talk to cameras. We wanna meet you guys and know our audience and really connect with you on a level that's different than other channels. So hopefully you guys can come see me or see Hanson on May the 18th. So go sign up and go check out everything from IPD and Carlisle. The other announcement is we have new merch. Now, if you pan down here, I'm wearing my V70R hoodie, and underneath I'm actually wearing my V70R t-shirt, but we have a new bit of merch in our store. If you go to our Teespring account, which is teespring/stores/Shifting Lanes, you will be able to find Hellwinkle, which is our kind of take on new age moose kind of look, but we wanted to make it a little bit more modern, and we had it commissioned, so this is a fully trademarked thing that we created for you guys, and I hope you like it. Go check out the store and go purchase a t-shirt. We're also going to be making stickers for each side of your car, sort of in that Hellcat sort of style, which I think is really, really cool. And if you didn't see it, it's on Hanson's last video that he did about the S60R, which I'll link in the card above me, so go check that out. That'll do it for today's video. Sorry, this is just a quick update video. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging without a V70R video this week, but the main point is that we have a new Challenger, and it's being built, and it's a built car. It's not just some random person, it's another YouTube channel. Go subscribe to Albon Films. They do some really amazing content. They did some awesome videos on the new Supra, which I'm a huge fan of, and which can dispel a lot of rumors that it's just another BMW. It's not. I've been saying that all the time, everywhere, on any social media if you follow me. It's not just another BMW. Go watch Albon's video on that, and you will know that Toyota and BMW worked hand in hand, and Toyota really had their hands along in this process. So go check it out. Thanks to Guff for challenging us. We're really excited to smash you and kick your ass. So sorry, not sorry. If you want to follow us on social media, it is @ShiftingLanes everywhere, literally everywhere. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Go follow us. You will see stuff there you will never see on YouTube. If you want to support us, all the links are in the description below. Patreon, our Teespring store. Go purchase anything. It helps us out with these builds, and it'll help us do our next build. After the V70R is done, we're going to have to do something else. This car needs to get modified, but we need a new build. So if you guys have suggestions or want to just support the channel, go do that. Other than that, that will do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully next week, I'll be able to bring you the full V70R build. I will catch you next time. See ya.